How to fix voicemail notification not working in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, turn off Do Not Disturb. Open setting. Scroll down, click on sounds and vibration. Click on Do Not Disturb and click on Turn Off Now. After click on Turn Off Now, turn off Do Not Disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, allow notification. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search app that you want to allow notification. After selecting app, click on notification and turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset by setting and again click on reset by setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail notification not working in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.